Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from Binance to our bank account. So for that you need to open up your Binance account, and there are various ways to send your money from Binance to your bank account, and we will be just exploring one of the way in this video. And if you want to see more of the ways, you can always comment down below and we will be happy to make video on it. So for now, go to your Binance account, then go to buy crypto. Over here you will find this option of P2P trading. Just click on it, and then over here select this option of sell on the top. Then in the payment section, suppose you want to receive your money in Bank of America, so you will just type Bank of America over here, and all the person who are ready to trade with you in USDT and give you USD in your Bank of America are listed over here. Make sure that you select person with higher completion rate. So this person has 99.4% completion rate, which is quite good, and the chances of a scam also reduces. And after selecting a particular person, select the limit and the USDT available with them. Suppose you want to transfer 5000 USD, so you will select this one rather than this one, because this person has only 3600 USDT available with them, so you would not want to trade with them as you would not able to receive whole 5000. So for that you need to select a person. Suppose this one is the right one. So after selecting a person, we will click on this option of sell USDT, and here type the amount, which is 5000. And after that, when you click on this option of set up my payment method, just click on it, and on Bank of America just click on plus, and after that provide all the details related to your Bank of America account and click on sell USDT after that, and then you will receive money in your bank account from Binance. And that's how you do it. In case if this transaction is not happening, then there might be one problem, and for that make sure that you send all your crypto from your spot or fiat wallet to your funding wallet. And for that you need to go to your fiat and spot wallet, and then click on this option of transfer, then select funding over here and select the crypto, which is USDT. It is better to sell all your cryptos into USDT and then sell USDT for US dollar or any crypto of your country. Then just select max or the amount that you want to send and click on confirm. This way you will be able to sending all your USDT from your fiat or spot wallet to funding wallet, and after that all your USDT will be available for you to sell and convert that particular USDT in US dollars and send it to your bank account. And this is how you send money from Binance to your bank account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.